This is just a random ID lanyard. Make sure the material is not too thick. This is probably about as thick as a business card. It's kind of a little bit of roughness to it, but not too much. It's pretty smooth. The thing is for sure that it's soft and it's strong. This is intensely strong material. I do not recommend the ribbon that you would use to make a bow with. Anything that would fray or break easily or come apart. I picked this because it has all those qualities. Also, this is clean and there's no solvents on it. I'm not going to put any alcohol or cleaners of any kind on this. So this is what I'm doing, is I'm taking this lanyard, ribbon or whatever you have, and I'm going behind this paddle here. And obviously there's two, one on either side of the steering wheel. And I'm just starting in here and I'm gently just kind of going back and forth like I'm flossing. And then there's a little tab or nub or something that sticks down there. So I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to try to force this back behind there. What I am going to do though is bring my hand with this side of the lanyard down and go way behind this. I don't know exactly where the contact is, but I'm just going to go back in there and just kind of clean this up a little bit, I guess. And that's it.